Hi everyone! Today is a special day. Guess what? The green room is getting a new classroom pet. Well, it's not really a pet because you can't hold it and you can't really pet it like you would with a bunny or a dog. It's a caterpillar. So from today, we're going to show you pictures of the growing caterpillar. And guess what it's going to be? What's your prediction? It's going to be a butterfly. I'm not sure how long is it going to take. It might take a long time, probably a few weeks. But we're going to find it out since I'm going to read you a non-fiction book today. A non-fiction book is a book that has real pictures, real photographs, and it has real information about things that's around you in the world. So stay tuned, listen to the book, and after the book we are going to talk some more.
Butterfly life cycle. All about butterflies. Look, it's a butterfly. This book will tell you about the lives of these beautiful creatures. Butterflies are insects. They have 6 legs just like ants, grasshoppers, and ladybugs. Butterflies have 4 wings. Each wing is covered with thousands of tiny scales. The scales give butterfly wings their bright colors. Butterflies drink their meal through a thin tube called proboscis. Their favorite meal is nectar, which they suck up from flowers. Butterflies come in all different colors. Some have spots, some have stripes, some seem like they have painted wings. But butterflies do not begin their lives looking this way. Let's take a peek at the life cycle of a monarch to see how they grow and change. There are 17,500 kinds of butterflies. How do you think these ones here got their names? The first one is called a tiger butterfly. Next to it, there's a peacock butterfly, an emerald butterfly, and in the second row, the first one is called an 89 butterfly, then an owl butterfly, next to it a zebra swallowtail butterfly, and a glasswing butterfly. Now let's look at the life cycle. Eggs to caterpillar. A female monarch lays an egg on a leaf. The egg is tiny. One egg is about the size of a period at the end of this sentence. That's the dot at the end of the words. After a few days, the egg hatches. Out wiggles a hungry caterpillar. First, the caterpillar eats its own eggshell. Then it starts munching on leaves. Newborn caterpillars look like this. Some butterflies lay more than 1,000 eggs during their lives. Crunch, crunch, crunch. The caterpillar keeps eating and growing and changing. It starts out small and white, but soon it becomes long and covered with colorful stripes. Monarch caterpillars only eat milkweed plants. After about 2 weeks, the caterpillar takes a rest. It attaches to a twig or leaf and hangs upside down. Something amazing is about to happen. Monarch caterpillars have 16 little legs. Chrysalis to butterfly. The caterpillar becomes a wrapped up package called a chrysalis. Inside the package, exciting changes are taking place. A chrysalis protects a caterpillar as it changes into a butterfly. The chrysalis turns from green to clear. Presto, chango! The caterpillar has become a butterfly. Guess what happens next? The butterfly breaks out of the chrysalis. Then it unfolds its wings, which are soft and damp. Damp means a little bit wet, moist. A brand new butterfly waits in the sun for the wings to dry. Then, flutter, flutter, away it flies. Monarchs flap their wings 5 to 12 times a second. Life cycle review. Do you remember the 4 main steps in a monarch butterfly's life cycle? Take a look. On day 1, the female butterfly lays an egg on a leaf. 4 days later, a caterpillar hatches. It grows and grows. 2 weeks later, a caterpillar becomes a chrysalis. After 1 month, a butterfly breaks out of the chrysalis. The life cycle of a monarch butterfly lasts for about 1 month. That's 4 weeks. All grown up, monarchs travel in big groups called flocks. In fall, monarch butterflies do what birds do. They fly south for the winter. This is called migration. They are looking for a warmer place. Some monarchs go to California, and some go to Mexico. Along the way, they rest in trees. This map shows where monarchs migrate. Some travel 3,000 miles. Monarchs are poisonous to birds and other animals. Their bright wings say, "Don't eat me. I'm poisonous. I'm going to make you feel sick." In early spring, the monarchs fly back north. A female lays an egg on a leaf. Then the butterfly life cycle will begin all over again. The end.
How did you like the book? It was good, right? Well, it's very similar to the book that I read about the beans. Have you seen that video? Well, if you did, you may have noticed that butterflies and beans also have a life cycle. That's something that's common in every living being. I'm alive, you're alive, your pets are alive. We're living beings. We all have a life cycle. And plants have life cycles and animals have life cycles. So guys, if you would like to, you can start a journal. A journal is a little booklet. You can just put together a few pieces of paper, staple it, similar how we did in the school when we were making books, if you remember. That could be your journal, your diary. And every time you see a change in your bean plant, or every time you see a change in the caterpillar, how it's developing into a beautiful butterfly, you can draw a new picture. And maybe you can even practice writing words. You can write, for the bean, you can write bean, or you can write germination, or you can write plant. For the butterfly, you can write caterpillar, or even before the caterpillar, you can write eggs and the cocoon. So there are a lot of things that you can practice, and you can ask your adults. They can help you sound out the words, and you can try to write it, or just draw a picture. That's perfect. And send us an update, send us a picture of your creation. That would be great. All right, thank you guys. Bye.